Hiya, I got another meal from My Protein. Let's go and check it out and see what it's all about. Hiya, welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today I'm checking out this from My Protein and it's a chicken tikka wrap. It was picked up in Iceland for £4. It's got 38.7 grams of protein, it's got 10.1 grams of fat, and it's got 520 calories. So there you go. I've not long been back from the gym, so I'm ready for a bite to eat, so I thought it'd be a pretty good snack to have now. It's got brown rice in it, it's got cheese in it, it's got lentils in it, it's got tomatoes, and not stating the obvious, it's got chicken in it. And apparently it takes 7 minutes to do in the microwave. So let's crack it open and see what it looks like. If you watch my other My Protein meal, you'll see on the last meal I did, it came with like a meal prep tub as part of the thing, which was pretty cool. I very much doubt this one will, but we'll have a look anyway. No, so it's literally just the wrap in a box. Look at that, it's literally a wrap in a box. They've not even like wrapped that, which is quite rare to see, but you know, it's saving wrapping, so there you go, that's pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to crack it in the microwave for 7 minutes and we'll see what it looks like. Right, so I've cooked up this wrap. There it is, look at that. Looks alright, doesn't it? Ah, this plate is hot. Ha ha hot. Ha hot. Maybe I should have put it on a different plate. This is the plate. I microwaved it. So with the old microwaving, you put it in for 4 minutes and then you take it out, you flip it over, you wait for 2 minutes and then you microwave it again for another 2.5 minutes. So it's not too bad. I think what I'll do is I'll cut it in half here. I'll just have a knife on standby, you know what it's like. I'll cut it here so we can see what it's like. I think it's going to burn my mouth off if I eat it straight away. I'll tell you what, it smells really good. So there you go. That's what it looks like on the inside. Don't know, is that good? Is it bad? I don't know. Doesn't look like there's much going on in there, does there? Maybe the chicken's at the back. I don't want to bite into it because I think it's going to scold me. I really do. Right then, let's try some. Oh, that is absolute, that is piping hot. I'm going to have to wait a couple of minutes on that bad boy. Right then, now this is a way to cool food down. It's centuries old, this technique, and literally a miracle. It is now fit for human consumption. It will not scold me. Anyway, so there's the inside. Let's try some anyway. Absolutely full of flavour. I said before I thought the chicken was at the back. I think it's like little pieces of chicken, so it's more consistent throughout the wrap, which is quite good. Really, really tasty. I can taste the tomatoes. Can't really taste the cheese, but it must be in there. It is pretty much a mouth orgasm. It is good. So, My Protein tikka wrap. Is it good? Hell yes, it's good, and I would recommend it. And it's £4 in Iceland/Food Warehouse. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.